say goodbye to the bus. Oh, here's Everett. Starting to gut the bus. Taking everything out, our fireplace, the mini kitchen, the random room, bathroom, king size bed, and bunk beds. So this is now day 2, day 1.5, going on to day 2 of the bus renovation. So should be interesting to get that big old fridge out, and we've started tearing down walls to the bones. That's where the kitchen was. It's a mess. And all this jazz. And where the bathroom used to be. Still got the toilet and the floor. And this is what the boyfriend had it like. Yeah, we are changing that. Okay, full-blown day 2. So getting most of the wall out. It's a shit show. Can't go any further because I can't get the electrical stuff out. So it goes all through there. But we got the bathroom wall out. Yeah. And I'm not really sure how to move a toilet or a shower, so we are stopping for tonight. But that is where we're at. And then nothing's changed up here. I just swept it and made it look clean.
So,
Oh, shit.
so this is Kara.
Wow.
And this is me, well, over here. But anyway, so this is our project. As it is 2022.
2022.
So yeah, it was, like before renovated bus, but so anyway, this is where we're at right now. On what's the date today?
This is October 10th, day 3 technically.
Day 3 into this episode. We are at this level right here. So yeah, we're taking everything out. I want to put different ACs in. And there's the shower. So yeah, Dara's just giving her here with this ripping out part. Yep. And then
Should be fun.
yeah, yeah, this is what it is at the moment. But yeah, this is our project, October the 10th. We started on October the 7th. So yeah, and then this is like half the junk that came out. So much garbage.
So this is a full day 3 of renovating, demolishing the bus, as you can see behind me. And it's funny because I take all the parts off like piece by piece, and the boyfriend comes in and just rips the whole fucking wall out like nobody's business. So clearly we do things differently. His is a lot faster and messier, and mine's more strategic, I think. So this is the last wall we got to get out. Last wall. And that is no wall. We still got to get this mother of a fridge out. And then, yeah, so here the bathroom is gone except for the shower pan, the kitchen, insulation, a little bit of the floor stuff. That stuff's got to go. We got to strip this, check it out. And then the ceiling, and that's where we are at.